Hey everyone, Jason here today with a digital build of a small brick house. This is pretty easy, so let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing is you want to grab is a 8x8 plate, place it down as shown. Next thing is take a 2x3 brick and place it right in the center. Now let's surround that brick with two 2x4 bricks. Next, let's place a 2x6 brick in the back, followed by two 1x2x2 corner bricks. Now let's fill in the interior portions of the corner bricks with two 1x1 transparent clear bricks. Next, let's take a 1x2x3 arch and a little insert that looks like a door. Place the insert inside the arch and place the arch right here as shown. Let's take a pair of two 2x3 bricks, place them in the back, and let's surround those with a pair of 1x4 bricks. Let's lock in the door with a 1x4 brick with arch. Now let's begin the roof, starting with a set of 2x3 30-degree slopes. Place them right in the center, followed by four 3x3 outside corner 30-degree slopes. And let's crown off the top of the roof with a 2x4 ridge. Now let's add some flowers to the front yard with two stems. And let's add some blue flowers to those stems. And there we have our brick-built house. Completely safe. Let's hope. Thank you for watching.